we get home, if you let me put it down, 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 if you let me put it.
What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Now, I've been keeping a bit of a secret from you guys. Past 3 years, I've sort of developed an obsession with JDM cars.
I'm like this. I'm like, can I please get a vape? And I'm like, a vape? Like I have to show him. Like,
Sure, do it, Lachlan.
A vape?
Can I please get a can of Coke? And I still do this, bro.
So, formed an addiction of JDM cars. Started with the MR2. Evolved into the S15 down there. Then along the way, I decided to get this hunk of shit. So, when I got the car, it was a non-runner. Rex and I tried to start it. It didn't go to plan.
Oh shit! Holy shit, bro! All of his hair's burnt.
At least I heard the injector's fired.
Before you caught on fire? Yeah. I bent 2 valves. So today we're ripping out the RB20, RB25, swapping it, and hopefully she runs.
And then you cut it there, and then you put music, and you just like, and then you get the next video clip up.
Alright, we're gonna remove this RB20 as quick as we possibly can, and go from there. We just cleaned the garage as well, so this is gonna suck.
So we finally got the R32 Skyline into the garage, and I guess the main work starts now. Rex is already removed.
This gross radiator, it's disgusting. Look how small it is as well.
Yeah, so the past couple of weeks I've been removing the large majority of shit that's preventing the motor from coming out. Now we're just on the final stretch. Okay, so Rex has been slaving away for the past about 10, 15, 20 minutes under the car.
Tail shaft coming out. Oh, not bad. Oh, grab that. You got it. Oh my god.
That's a big shaft. Now we're up to the stage where we're actually pulling the motor. It's taken us about 2-3 hours, I think. And we've decided to go with the route of pulling the motor and the transmission together, as we thought that would be easier. Turns out in retrospect, it's been a bit more difficult. Yeah, overall, not the most fun way to start the build, but hey, you gotta start somewhere. I think we've officially found the hack to remove engines. Just get a, what's it called?
Engine leveler.
An engine leveler crane thing. Rex HTM. It's hacks. It makes it so easy. It's been about 3 days now since the last clip you just saw of Rex and I taking the trans off. The RB20 is now sitting on a tyre. Today's goal is mainly getting the RB20 mounted up onto the trusty old engine stand and stripping off the parts that I need, which is the water pump, alternator, and the power steering. So the first step is taking the flywheel off, which is proving pretty damn difficult. All the bolts have been removed. I'm now just trying to actually pry the flywheel off. There was a change in plan yesterday as I simply just ran out of time before Rex's drift day at Keep It Reet. So Peter and I moved the motor to the new buyer, which is Ollie Mechnik. So we're going to his house now to remove the oil pan and a few of the accessories. So we've just got back from Ollie's house with the RB20 oil pan. Now, unfortunately, because I'm using a RB25 Neo all-wheel drive block, we do need to make some modifications to this rear-wheel drive oil pan. So firstly, we're going to get the gurney and clean up all the oil out of the pan, as we do need to use the blowtorch, as a bit of the mounting surface needs to be bent back to clear the oil pickup location, as it's different in the all-wheel drive application compared to the rear-wheel drive application. So let's do that now. The pan is now all clean and ready for modification, which you'll see in the next video. I did just want to check one thing, which is these two plugs here. After doing some research last night into those two plugs, it turns out that they directly interface with the Wiring Specialties harness, which is a great sign as I did chop the alternator and starter wires by accident. Because those two plugs interface directly into the harness, I think we're all sweet. So it is starting to rain now, which is Melbourne weather for you. Do want to say a big thanks to all the new subscribers. I think we've gained like 200 over the past couple of days thanks to Rex. Anyway, catch you in the next one.